Hi everybody, it's Jez here from nigezza.co.uk. Thank you for joining me today. And today I'm going to show you the card that I made for my team's new catalogue card swap. So every time there's a new catalogue that comes out, so that's 3 times a year. So for the annual catalogue, the autumn winter catalogue, which is just out now, and the spring summer catalogue, in the Poodles team, some of us take part, quite a lot of us, in a card swap. We go in little teams and we usually make 5 cards that are identical and we send them out. So this is the card that I've made. I also did it in lovely lipstick. This is Call Me Clover, so I wanted to use the in colours, the new in colours as well, and I just think that that's a lovely clean and simple card using this gorgeous set, Flourish Filigree. I was drawn to the filigree design, and I loved the fact that this stamp matched the pretty label punch. And as I've said that, I realise I ain't got it out, so I just need to, there we go and get it. So I love a punch and stamp that matches. So, and I think just putting them together like that is really elegant. So I'm gonna make 6 now, because I've got to give away 5, and then with the spare one that makes 3 that I've made. And I did 2 Christmas cards for a Pinky's Team challenge, so that's my August Christmas cards made. So that's quite simple. So I'm just going to show you how these will make up really quickly. So I've got extra thick Whisper White cut in half, scored in half, so I've pre-prepped 6 of those. I've cut first layer in the Call Me Clover, and then a smaller layer in standard Whisper White, and I've got a scrap there for the other bit of stamping. But before I go any further, you're not going to see it, so I've gutted my cardstock so that I've got these pieces for other things, because you're really not going to see it. That's gutted. Would you know? No, it wouldn't. So I'm just going to show you how I do it quickly and easily. So on my trimmer, I have my trimmer marked up for my card bases and the mats that I use. And then on this side, I've stuck a piece of white paper behind so that I can actually read these. And I've just put a little Sharpie dot on the 1 centimetre and one down here on 13 centimetres. I put my it's sticking up there for some reason. I don't know why. If I put that away, that's better. It was the stand. So I put this edge over here. I do it on 1/2 inch. You can do it on 1 centimetre. It doesn't matter. And then I put my cutting blade at where I've marked 1 centimetre, and I run it down to where I've marked 13 centimetres to flip it around and do that again from 1 centimetre down to 13 centimetres, and then I put that back again on the 1/2 inch and stick that at 1 centimetre, and I just draw it down till it stops, and you can kind of feel where it stops. And that's it, quick and easy. That's how I gut it. So those are all ready for my mats, and those are all ready for another project, because I haven't got much of this card. I didn't want to waste it. Okay, so that's just my little frugal tip for you. Okay, now I'm going to use the Stamparatus for positioning this, because it's perfect for that. So here's my Stamparatus. I'm going to use that card stamp set there. I've already lined it up, so all I did was I put my mat in there and I laid that down, lined it up by eye in the middle, and went, yeah, that's fine. Okay, and this is how you can bang them out really, really quickly. So if you're one of these that decide on one design for a Christmas card and bang them out, then this is perfect. I do make about 30 cards that are all identical to send out to people that I come in contact with at Easter. There's an event I do at Easter, and there's usually about 30 different organisations, churches, people, and I, as well as making them all Easter cards, I make them all Christmas cards as well. So I'm thinking that this is what I'm going to do for them, because it's just so quick and easy to do. I do find that I do tend to do a double stamp with this, and that's why the Stamparatus is brilliant for it, because it stamps it back down in the same position. Love this. When I first saw this colour, I thought that it would make a brilliant Christmas. I'm just going to wipe that. It's not going to go anywhere near my card, but just to keep it clean, I shall wipe it. Yes, I thought what a lovely colour for Christmas, and I liked Emerald Envy, last year's in colours, for Christmas cards, and I have stockpiled it. It'll probably be Emerald Envy I will use for these cards that I'm going to make, the 30 cards I'm going to make. There we go. So get in a roll. Does help when you're stamping up such a big space to have a stamp box there. It's just the right size. It does make stamping easy, and sometimes when it's close to the edge it does take a couple of ones. If you put it over in the middle it would work, but I didn't set it up that way. There we go. So let's see how long it takes. So obviously I pre-prepared with cutting the mats and that, but really that doesn't take too long. And then last one. That one nearly did it. I will just do one for luck. There we go. Stunning. Absolutely beautiful. I love this stamp. It is gorgeous. Right, so just clean it up. The chamois is brilliant for doing that. I'm going to leave that on for now. Right, move this out of the way. And whilst we've got the ink out, we may as well do the 6. And that's all the stamping. So we shall start assembling our card. So we'll just punch these out. So that's all of them cut out. So now it's just a matter of doing the assembly. So I've got my card blanks. I'll take a bit of Tombow, so I've got a bit of wigglage, and I'm just doing a bit round there. Check my cards opening in the right place. Line it up, stick it down. And the other thing, because you've gutted the cards, is you're using less adhesive as well. Okay, so that's that. Let's bring in these. So and then we just need to add these, and I'm going to use some dimensionals, so I'm going to stick 2 dimensionals on. My fingers are now quite sticky, and then line that up in the centre. It's quite easy to line up because of the patterns. And there we have it. So I'll carry on doing these. So there we have it. So I've made 6 cards there in 20 minutes with a little bit of pre-prep. Okay, so then that is it in lovely lipstick as well. So hope you like that. I hope the people who received it like it. Hope that's given you some ideas for this beautiful set here that I really like. Okay, all the details will be on my blog, nigezza.co.uk. If you would like to purchase this set, then you can click onto my shop there, or there is a link down below. If you would like a copy of the new catalogue, the autumn winter catalogue, where everything's in there, you'll find this set near the back. There it is. Flourish Filigree. You can get it in wood mount, or you can get it in clear mount that I've got. Okay, but lovely things in there. Okay, see you again soon. Bye bye.